Hello, my name's Professor Janine Kavanagh and I'm a volcanologist at the University of Liverpool in the School of Environmental Sciences. So volcanoes are some of the most dramatic, the most beautiful releases of heat and energy from within our planet. Now, many volcanoes on Earth have produced lava flows, and lava is a molten rock. It's got crystals in it, it's got bubbles in it, and this molten rock is called magma when it's beneath the surface, and lava when it comes out of the volcano. And I've got some lovely examples of lavas here on the desk. So what we're going to do today is we're going to do an experiment to understand how lavas flow and how things like crystals, so sugar crystals, affect how the lavas move and how dangerous they could be.